Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Privacy.com Virtual Cards. Review my usage experience. Privacy.com Virtual Cards. Review my usage experience offers virtual credit card numbers that you can use online to protect your primary credit card information. Its main purpose is to enhance online privacy and security for users making purchases online. The target audience is anyone concerned about online security and fraudulent charges. Key features include creating disposable virtual cards, setting spending limits, and controlling merchant access. Their website provides details on various pricing plans. Privacy.com positions itself as a simple and effective way to manage online spending and prevent fraud. They highlight ease of use and transparency, there are no hidden fees, and the pricing is straightforward. The service uses a straightforward virtual card generation system. Availability is global, accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Privacy.com. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick, and I had a virtual card generated within minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I immediately understood how to create a new card, set spending limits, and even assign specific merchants to specific cards. I used it to purchase a few things online, including a subscription to a streaming service and a few items on Amazon. The whole process was seamless. I set a low spending limit on the Amazon card, for example, to ensure I wasn't overcharged. The system worked flawlessly, and my main credit card information remained hidden. I had a quick question about recurring billing, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to set individual spending limits per card. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Everything had to be managed through the website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Privacy.com. It's a simple yet powerful tool for protecting your financial information online. While it has a few quirks, like the lack of a mobile app, it generally met my needs, and I feel much safer making online purchases now. That's my overview of Privacy.com Virtual Cards. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.